So look what we found. The Batmobile. The Batmobile car here in Southend. Do a transaction because it's supposed to be Southend at night, so I'll be here at night. So in 3, 2, 1, let the scenery change. So about the wind. The train's got to go from there all the way to the end. The world's longest pressure boat. 45 minutes for fireworks. We just got to find a viewing spot. We don't know if they're going to be over there or over there, but we're going to go down there and find out. Let's get the view of Southend at night. I've never been here at night, as in late. I've never done a late Southend video before. I thought I'd do a first. It'd be a first to do a late. Oh, look at us, the access. Look at that. My camera tries to adjust at night time. But yeah, look at that. Look at that view. Let's adjust it. Let's adjust the lighting, that's it. Look at that view. It's really cool to see the rides at night, you know. To me, forget Winter Wonderland, come to Southend. It's free entry, this is. You just pay whatever you want to do. You don't have to do every ride. And at night, it's quite good. You've got lots of shops as well. Don't forget, it's got a town here. I recommend it. Forget Winter Wonderland, just come here. It's more fun. And of course, Christmas time, it's going to be Christmas themed here, obvious. And they're going to have the markets as well. Okay. Look at that. 21st to the 29th of October here in Southend. Halloween style. Definitely be here for Halloween. That's a must. That's pretty sick though. Guys, we're just waiting for the fireworks to start, and this is the position of the fireworks are going to happen. Yes, we're having fireworks. Southend at night. We're going to go, I was going to walk down this way, down that way. Oh sorry, can't focus this at night, it's really hard. I thought I was going to go down that way, but I'm going to go down that way. That is sick. That's a cool view. I want to get with the ride going round. Ride go round, access. I'll video for you at night time. Bit of night time fun action. We're going to go on the beach if it's we're on Thames Estuary, by the way. Look how high they go up. Is it going? Is it going? Is it going? They're really high up, you know. Whoa. We're going to try and chase them. We've got donuts down there.